The 2024 Nissan Magnite gets a few cosmetic changes and new features. The nomenclature for the facelift car has changed, but the powertrain options remain unchanged with the 1.0 Yojak Chennai LITRE petrol engine and transmission options from the outgoing model. This car megahat be hit product for Nissan because of its price. Badi evolved say that the only strong point of this car is its price. Dimensions. The 2024 Nissan Magnite is similar to the Renault Kwid in terms of length and width, and is just slightly bigger in these measurements. However, the Kwid Here is 33 mm taller than the 2024 Magnite. Both Nissan and Renault Swiss offer the same ground clearance of 205 mm. The 2024 Nissan Magnite makes a very strong and justifiable case for itself. It doesn't offer so much its more premium competitors have to offer. The interior deeper and so is the features list. Both in all fairness will definitely score the most amount of stars in the value for money department. Tere are few short kings likhe engine is not pa to mark, it is smooth boot doesen, the pack anya kick. At the lower gears you will find it locking. Power, obviously because of 1.0 liter engine for this bigger car. No vibration ta all from engine during delay or delay driving. After few thousand comes you will start seeing failures in suspension or bearings or bush alignment. 3. Vehicle will start viberte loads. Quality is so poor my bay design too. If you can check this don't test drive circular motions, like a complete ton, ta give us jakes. Nissan Magnite review by Shalini Chopra great for long drives. Took it for a long drive and it performed so well. Magnite's comfort level is high, and Nissan made sure it handles highways too. Both the Nissan Magnite and the Tata Punch are sub 4 meters SUVs. However, the Magnite is 167 mm longer than the Tata's micro SUV. It is also wider and has a longer wheelbase than the Punch. Inside the Nissan Magnite lies a roomy and modern cabin. The cabin is designed keeping comfort and convenience in mind. An uncluttered dashboard with a large infotainment display screen is central to its appeal. The interior material varies from plastic to lathereite, making it almost very premium in quality. The company stated that out of the total wholesale, 3,121 units were sold in the domestic market, while the remaining 2,449 units were exported from India. Nissan India announced the new Magnite BSUV offers maintenance costs of 39 paise per kilometer for 50,000 kilometers, along with a standard 3-year warranty, 1 lakh km, which is further extendable per to 6 years, 1,50,000 कम, the minimal additional cost.